Hello guys, welcome you all to the PC Tips Pro. Today in this video, I'm gonna to show you how you can create Windows and DOS services website. So guys, without learning any programming languages like HTML and Java, you can go with this WordPress platform and create your own attractive websites. So before we move further, don't forget to subscribe to the channel PC Tips Pro. Before we move further to this topic, let me tell you that they require two basic requirements. The first requirement is the domain. That means you need to buy a domain. And the second is you need to buy a hosting. So let's proceed further to this. First of all, you can open your browser and on the browser search for domainracer.com, or you can directly go to the website which is domainracer.com. So guys, here I'm not going to buy the hosting because I already having it with Domain Racer and I really love their services. Also, they have very great services. They have instant support. As you can see, the support chat is here. It means you can directly talk to them. And also you can directly contact to the salesperson if you are having any of the technical issues. So I am only going to buy the domain here. So here when you open the Domain Racer website, here you can see the domain option. So click into this domain and then search for the domain. Also make sure while searching for the domain, try to search for the name which is relevant to your website. It means the keyword of your website should be in domain. So talking about Windows and DOS services website, I'll search for my Windows and then click into search option. And now you can see there's many suggestions coming up. So the first domain which is available is mywindowscompany.com. The second is mytimberwindows.com. And the third is mywincompany.com. So once you click this domain, then click into this add to cart option. Now you can go to the web hosting. But as I earlier said that I already having hosting with Domain Racer, so I am skipping this hosting part. Now we will move to the second part to set up your hosting. So for that, again you need to go to the Domain Racer website and there on the top you can see this login option. So click into this login option. And here now you have your credentials to log in. This is the same credentials which you have created at the time of signing up the account with the Domain Racer. So use the same credentials to log into the account, and once you log into your account, you will see the services and products you have got from them. So you can see your active products and services here. Also, once you click on the shared hosting and domain, you will get the Cpanel login credentials and the link also. So guys, here I am directly going to the Cpanel login and then enter ID and password and click into this login option. And now you can see the Cpanel account here. After logging the Cpanel account, you can scroll down it completely down to the bottom. And then in the software menu, you can see this option WordPress Manager by Domain Racer. So click into this option. And now you can able to see this WordPress management. And now you have three different options available: install, scan and manage set. So click into this install option. Now here we are going to install the WordPress in our Cpanel hosting. So on the top you can see it's asking to choose the version. So always try to choose the latest version because it will be good for your interface of the WordPress dashboard. And now it's coming for site name. So it is my Windows. And now site description. For example, I'm clicking here is, hey, this is my window company. And now you can see it's asking for ID and the password, so you can change it according to your need. I'm clicking here it as same admin and admin. And now I'll select the language which is English. You can choose it according to your comfort. Now this is the last part we have to do is select theme. So first of all click into show all theme and then try to search for the theme which related to the website. So it was about Windows and DOS services website. So I'll search for window, but as you can see there's no match found, so I'll click into all option and now select one theme from here only. So I think it could be better related to the Windows and DOS website. So click into this. Also, if you want to see the demo of this theme, then you can click into this demo option. So guys, finally I'm going to select this theme only and then click into the install option. So guys, as you can see now, it's installing. It may take up to 3 to 4 minutes. You can read it from here. It depends upon your internet speed, how fast your internet is working. So let it be, because this is the mandatory part. We cannot skip this part. So we will wait some few minutes more. Now after completing this second part, you can move to the last part, how you can customize your theme and how you can give the right and attractive look to your website. So let's move to the third part, guys. Now you are done with the installation part. As you can see here, congratulations, the software was installed successfully. Now you have given two different links here. On clicking into first link, you can able to see how your website will look like. Now coming back to the second link, which is administrative URL, from where you can go ahead to the customized website. That means it will be your WordPress dashboard. So click on this and it will redirect you to the WordPress dashboard. And as you can see here, so talking about the role of this dashboard, let me tell you, this dashboard will let you to make changes to your website. As you can see, either you can customize your website from here or you can change the theme completely. You can also enhance your content with blocks and patterns. You can do the changes from left side also. For example, if you want to add any post, then click into this post option. If you want to add any media file, then you can click into media option. If you want to add new page to your website, then just click into this. If you want to manage your comment, then you can do it from here. If you want to add any plugin, then you can do it from here simply. Now coming back to the website again. On the top you can see my windows. And if you remember, it was the name of the website I have given at the time of installation. Now, in the heading you can see, hey, this is my window company. And if you remember, it was the description I have given at the time of the installation. So guys, these all are the demo photos you can see. Also, you can make changes to these. So you just need to go back to the dashboard again, and here you can see this option, start customizing. So click into this option and it will let you to make changes to your website. Let's suppose if you want to make changes to the header, footer, template pages, then click into this option. And now if you want to make changes to footer part, then click into this footer, as it's preparing interface. Now from here you can make changes to your footer part. Now coming back, if you want to make changes to your blog, then click into this. It's preparing interface for the blog page. And now you can make changes to your blog in this way. Coming back, if you want to make changes to your home page, then click into this home page, and as it's preparing interface for the home page. And now by scrolling down you can make changes to your home page. So guys, I hope it will help you to start your own Windows and Door Services website with WordPress. That's it for today. Keep watching PC Tips Pro.